Hey, I'm Jane. I run marketing at Mighty Networks, and I've seen it all when it comes to communities. I'm going to be looking at a real Mighty Network and reacting to what I see. Today, I'm going to be joined by Chris. Chris is a YouTuber who talks about religion and early Christianity. If you want to learn how to master Mighty Networks and build a thriving online community, you're in the right place. So one of the first things I like to do is actually point out and go through the resources you have around community design in your Mighty Network, because community design is a strategy that we have found works after looking at hundreds of thousands of networks. And it's what we go through individually with Mighty Pro, which is people like Jefferson Fisher, Tony Robbins, Marie Forleo. And so making that accessible to everybody and showing you how to use it, I think is really exciting. So let's do that. All right. So this is your Mighty Network. Do you want to just tell us a little bit about it?
Yeah, so basically I do these YouTube videos and I dig deep into like historical questions, ancient sources, and I wanted to do a lot of this work live. So I have spaces dedicated to doing some of my research. I have spaces dedicated to having scholars on. And of course, I want spaces dedicated to just kind of general conversation, people's questions, all that sort of fun community conversation.
Sounds like some pretty meaty topics to dig into. What I'd love for you to do is go to your network admin, which is the gear button in the upper right, and go to that first section, which is general. And you're going to see community design there. So click on into that here. And again, this is Mighty's framework. So for anybody watching this, this is a free resource you have in your Mighty Network that you can actually interact with and go through. You can see that prompt to go chat with co-host. You have an AI assistant that's been trained on all of this as well that can help you fill it in. It looks like you've already made some great progress here, Chris. But just to tell people what this is, basically it takes you through 9 steps, starting with a big idea. What's your big idea? And then helping you come up with your ideal member, what the kind of result they're going to get, the best year ever, the big purpose, and then going into what you're actually going to do with them in the community and how you think about structuring your offer. So I'd love for you to tell us a little bit about how you've engaged with this so far, Chris, and how you're using it. I personally love it for my own community as a place to also put ideas I have for future things, but I'd love to hear your feedback on it.
Yeah, that's really cool because I did this at the beginning. And then to be honest, I haven't really gone back to it since I set up my community. So it's a good challenge to go back. Does this train the AI? Does the AI pull from this stuff?
Yes, exactly. So you could put in, this is my ideal member. And then when you're chatting with co-host, you could say, hey, based on my ideal member, what are some custom fields I should put in my community? Or what's another challenge I should do? How should I think about pricing even based on what I'm offering people? And it will reference this. You can also, if you scroll down to the bottom, you will see there is a little notes section. So anything that doesn't fit into one of these steps that you really want your co-host to know, here are the scholars I have coming up for my YouTube channel and how I want to use them. That can be helpful too. Or frankly, if you're chatting with somebody, even just like the tone you want it to use with you, you can refine it there. And you can see that each of these steps as well has a little tutorial video you can watch to get some ideas percolating. But of course, you can also just chat with the co-host and say, hey, how should I think about my launch? I highly encourage folks to use it as just a foundational step while they're getting set up. I think it's really helpful. Thanks so much for watching. If it inspired you to start your own Mighty Network, you can start a free 14-day trial today. Or if you already have a Mighty Network and you want me to react to your community, let us know in the comments. We'll track you down and maybe I will gently and lovingly roast you as well. If you have reactions, if you have comments, drop them below. And of course, subscribe to see the next Jane Reacts video.